Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Lyonnaise potatoes or sauteed potatoes. They are very easy to make and they are super delicious and very flavorful. So guys, stay tuned until the end of the video. So let's get started. So to start off with this recipe, you are going to need your potatoes. In my case, I'm going to use 3 big potatoes. Then I'm going to peel them and then clean or wash them. After washing the potatoes, I'm now going to cut them into the shape and size that I want. So after cutting them, I'm going to wash them like 2 to 3 times to remove the excess starch from the potatoes. After cleaning my potatoes, I'm going to pat them dry using a clean kitchen cloth before deep frying them because I don't want water to mix with the oil. It might splash all over and make my kitchen look nasty. Next, I'm going to place my oil over high flame. Once my oil is ready, I'm going to put in my potatoes and then I'm going to deep fry them for 2 to 3 minutes until they become crispy. As my potatoes are frying, I'm going to be chopping off the onions and the coriander, the other ingredients which I'm going to use. My potatoes are ready and they are nicely crispy. You can even hear the crunch. So next I'm just going to season them with a little salt. Once the potatoes are done, I'm going to put another pan on the flame for my onions. So here I've added 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 chopped onions. I'm going to saute the onions until they become soft. To season my onions, I'm going to be adding in some salt and black pepper. The black pepper is going to give the potatoes a nice flavor, and also the salt is going to season the potatoes. Once the onions are soft and caramelized, I'm going to add in my potatoes and then I'm going to toast it together with the onions until they are well combined. Here now you have to reduce the heat to medium to prevent the onions from burning. I'm going to cook the potatoes for 1 minute, then lastly I'm going to garnish with the coriander and then toast it together with the potatoes, and then that's it. As simple as that, my Lyonnaise potato is ready. So next I'm going to plate it so that I can enjoy my Lyonnaise potatoes. So my Lyonnaise potatoes are ready and they are very delicious, and I love every flavor that is in my Lyonnaise potatoes. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also comment down there. Tell me what you think about this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So guys, see you in the next one. Bye.